In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Coursera. This simple process will ensure that you never miss an important deadline or learning opportunity again. We'll walk through the steps to integrate these two platforms seamlessly, so let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Coursera account settings. To do this, navigate to your Coursera homepage and look for your profile picture located in the upper right corner of your screen. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings, which will lead you into the heart of your account management. Once you're in the settings area, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu, scroll through the options, and click on Calendar Sync. This step is crucial. It's where we set the magic in motion to bring your Google Calendar and Coursera courses together. Next, choose the option for Google Calendar. It's a straightforward choice, which, when selected, prepares your Coursera account to initiate the syncing process. Selecting Google Calendar is like opening a door between Coursera and your digital calendar, setting the stage for all your course events to appear right alongside your personal appointments. Now it's time to authorize the connection. You will notice a pop-up window from Google asking for permission. Follow the prompts, and if you're presented with an Add button, go ahead and click that. Granting permission is safe, and it's necessary for Coursera to access your calendar events and keep them updated with your course deadlines and schedules. In some cases, you might need to enable pop-ups from Coursera.org in your browser settings if the window doesn't appear automatically. Don't worry, this only takes a few seconds. After successfully granting permission, you'll need to confirm the synchronization process. Return to your familiar Google Calendar interface, and now you should see a new Coursera calendar added to the list on the left side of your screen. This newly added calendar will contain all the information related to your Coursera courses, conveniently organized and ready for you to manage. Each event can be toggled for visibility, allowing you to decide what's most important to see at any given time. By following these steps, you have now connected your Google Calendar to Coursera. With this integration, you are set up to manage your time effectively and keep all your learning commitments in one place. Thanks to this synchronization, you'll be better prepared to track your courses and deadlines effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your online learning experience. Thanks for watching and happy learning!